Wooden-covered 54 square meters tiny houses have become a popular living space in recent years. These homes are an ideal option for those looking to promote sustainability and a low carbon footprint. It is also a preferred option for those who want to live in a smaller living space. These tiny houses can often be designed in different styles, such as farmhouses, cottages, dorms, or cabins. It is a popular choice for those who love wood finishes, natural materials, and a rustic look. Wood material provides natural insulation and creates a warmer atmosphere indoors. A 54 square foot tiny house usually includes a basic arrangement, such as a single bedroom, a bathroom, and a kitchen, living room. However, larger or smaller designs are possible. One of the biggest advantages of this type of house is that it can be built at lower costs, using less materials and energy.